students, how are you all? It's time for the next chapter, our government. So, just like your parents look after your needs at home, similarly, the government looks after the needs of the people of the entire nation. So, let's start it. So, students, what is the meaning of government? In simple words, the group of people who officially control a country. A lot of people in Tanvi's neighborhood were falling ill from dengue. One day, he saw his parents talking to some of the neighbors about the problem of mosquitoes in their colony. After a few days, Tanvi saw that some people had come to his colony and were spraying something in the area. He asked his mother, "What are they spraying?" "They are disinfecting our neighborhood." So students, do you know what is the meaning of disinfecting? Let me tell you. Clean something with a chemical in order to destroy bacteria. Okay? They are disinfecting our neighborhood with the fumes of certain chemicals so that the mosquitoes which are spreading dengue can be killed, answered his mother. "But who asked them to come?" said Tanvir. "A few people from our colony wrote a letter to the municipal corporation and informed that many people were suffering from dengue in our neighborhood. This is one of the functions of the government," answered Tanvir's mother. Role of government. It makes laws and makes sure that these laws are followed. It punishes those who break the laws. It protects our country from foreign attacks. It looks after the basic needs of citizens, such as food, water, and safety. It builds and looks after public places, such as parks, hospitals, and libraries. It builds and maintains friendly relations with other countries. It looks after our national wealth, such as monuments, forests, and wildlife. It provides medical treatment, food, clothes, and temporary shelter to people who have been affected by natural or man-made disasters. Since India is a huge country, it becomes difficult for a single agency to govern the entire nation. Hence, the government is divided into central, state, and local government for proper functioning. The central government's duties include looking after the entire country, building railways, looking after the wealth of the country. Central government is headed by the Prime Minister. Every state has its own government which looks after the various needs of that state, such as education, healthcare, law and order, hygiene, sanitation, and water supply. Chief Minister and Governor are the important people who look after the functioning of the state. Every state has many towns, cities, and villages. The local self-governing bodies look after the basic needs of the people living in towns, cities, and villages. The local governing bodies provide clean drinking water, maintenance of roads, schools, and cleanliness. So students, we just understood what tasks the government does. Now we are able to understand the role of the government step by step. So let's see. Role of the government. The government performs a variety of functions. It makes laws and makes sure that these laws are followed. It punishes those who break the laws. It looks after the basic needs of citizens, such as food, water, and safety. It builds and looks after public places, such as parks, hospitals, and libraries. It builds and maintains friendly relations with other countries. It looks after our national wealth, such as monuments, forests, and wildlife. It provides medical treatment, food, clothes, and temporary shelter to people who have been affected by natural or man made disasters. So, students, what is a man made disaster? One such example of man made disaster is a terrorist attack. So, man made disasters include terrorist attacks, flood, earthquake, and tsunami are some examples of natural disasters. It protects our country from foreign attacks. Now, students, that's it for today's lesson. Hope you all have understood it well. Stay safe. Thank you.